Hi guys, it's Abby from Enemy Career Services, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your documents visible to employers and recruiters on Handshake. So, when you log into your Handshake account, we're going to go to the profile picture in the upper right hand corner and click on My Profile. So, we're going to scroll down to our documents, which are going to be at the very bottom of the page here on the left hand corner, and we're going to click on Manage Documents. And here, when you add a new document and you upload a new document, you're able to choose whether or not they're visible on your profile or not visible on your profile. So, what it's as easy as just clicking on this visible button, and the sample resume is now visible on my profile. And so that means any employer, anyone who has access to my Handshake account will be able to see my documents, such as my resume, my cover letter if I decide to upload one, or any documents that I need for career related stuff. So, yeah, it really is super simple. And that is how you make your documents public on Handshake.